In this video, we will review the necessary steps to create a Flipgrid assignment in your Canvas course. After you log into your Canvas course shell, on the left navigation, you will select the Assignments page. On the Assignments page, you will select the Plus Assignment option at the top right. Here you will enter an assignment name. You can leave the description box empty at this time. Within Flipgrid, you will actually provide the specific instructions for the assignment. You will then give your assignment the necessary point value, making sure that you also assign the assignment to the assignments group. You will select the appropriate grading value, whether that's percentage, points, etc. And for this example, I will select points. And for submission type, because we are using an external tool, among the 4 options, we will select external tool. Then we will come down, we will go ahead and give our assignment a due date. And back under the assignment type, we've selected external tool, and we will select the find option. You can enlarge this box, and we will select Flipgrid among the options for external tools. We will then select the select option and save and publish. So continue setting the parameters or expectations for this specific Flipgrid assignment. You can select the Actions option to edit the topic, or you can select the pencil icon. Here we have the title for the assignment. You can also, in this box for the prompt, give the specific instructions that you are requiring the students to complete as it relates to the assignment. So for this demonstration, I will enter, what is your favorite day of the week? As you're building the specific parameters for the assignment, you can specify the length of time that students will have to complete the assignment. Because we want to ensure accessibility for all students, closed captions is a default option within Flipgrid, as well as for students who may be using a screen reader. You can add any images or additional videos or documents related to the topic at hand. And for this particular option, I'm going to upload an image file. You can select an image that you've previously created. I'm just going to enter ABCs here. So my favorite day of the week would be Monday, as an example. You can establish the specific access controls for the assignment. If you want students to only be able to access the Flipgrid from within Canvas, you can deselect this option. Or if you would like students to be able to access Flipgrid assignment using the Flipgrid mobile app, you can select this option, select continue, and then make sure the specification is that only students who are using their @wssu.edu email extension will be able to access this specific Flipgrid assignment. This helps to ensure privacy and security for the assignment, so only students who are enrolled in your course who have the link or URL to the assignment will be able to provide a response to the specific Flipgrid discussion prompt. You can attach any documents that you would like to the assignment. And then, of course, at this point, we want our specific Flipgrid to be active so that it is accessible to students. So we will leave this as active. You can schedule the date and time, similar to when you are creating your modules or assignments within Canvas. If you would like students to only be able to access the Flipgrid during a specific time frame, you can establish those parameters here. After you have reviewed each of the respective options available to you, you can select or deselect any of the options. At the very end of the page, you will select Update Topic. Now your specific Flipgrid has been created. We was given the Flipgrid a title, Flipgrid Demo. We have given the student the parameters for completing the assignment by asking them what is your favorite day of the week. We have uploaded a corresponding image or image file or document related to the topic at hand. And when students will go into the Flipgrid assignment to respond to the discussion prompt, they will select the record a response. And this is where they will have the opportunity to record a video response to the question, what is your favorite day of the week? Now that the assignment has been created and we are in the instructor view, we will then be able to see what the student will see from their end by selecting Home and Student View. We see we just created this assignment, Flipgrid Demo. And students will be required to log into the Canvas course shell to access the Flipgrid by using their @wssu.edu email extension. And this is from the student perspective, and they can see the Flipgrid assignment title, the question or discussion prompt that has been given, and they can then record their response. In this video, we have just examined how to create a Flipgrid assignment and also been able to see what our students will see by utilizing the Student View option. Subscribe to the Center for Innovative and Transformative Instruction YouTube channel for more instructional videos.